So here we have the Ford Ecosport on a 69 plate. So I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge, and the gear the car is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. In the main trip computer section, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 7,751. And we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. So we have satellite navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle settings, trip computer, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have underneath that cruise control and speed limiter, and then stereo and phone controls on the right hand side. Over in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can access your satellite navigation, of course. Nice clear color display, as you can see. Very easy system to use. We can come back out to the home screen. We've done a video showing the sat-nav system working. If you want to check that out, you can do. It's on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. When it comes to music, we have got FM, AM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. And this car has two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here as further options for you. And then back out to the home screen where you can pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air. Any manual adjustment will override auto and allow you to put it back on your own settings. With a heated rear screen, a heated front screen as well, the two USB inputs I mentioned, and then down here we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We have our traction control, then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and a 12-volt charging socket there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.